In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to speed up and slow down a clip in Premiere Pro. Start by dragging the video into the sequence. The first method is to right-click on the clip and choose Speed Duration. Here you will see the speed percentage and duration. Lowering the speed will slow down the video, and increasing the speed will make the video faster. With the link to the site enabled, the total duration of the clip will be adjusted. When you're happy with your speed adjustment, click OK to confirm your changes. You can always go back and change the speed if you need. The second method is to use the Rate Stretch tool. You can select this tool by pressing R on your keyboard, or by clicking and holding on the Ripple Edit tool, then choosing it from the drop-down menu. Hover over the end of the video, then click and drag. Dragging in will speed up the clip, and dragging out will slow down the video. The final method is to use time remapping. Either drag the track your video is on up to make the layer bigger, or move the video slider points on the side closer to enlarge all the video layers. Right-click on the video and go to Show Clip Keyframes, Time Remapping, then Speed. This will add a line to your video track. Dragging the line down will slow down the video and increase the video length. Moving the line up will speed up the video and decrease the video length. To change the speed of a portion of the video, move the playhead to where you want the change to start. Click the keyframe button on the video layer. Move the playhead to where you want the change in speed to end. Click the keyframe button again. Drag the middle line either up or down to change the speed. Dragging out one side of the keyframe marker will allow the speed change to gradually ramp up or down. This gives a more natural speed change that isn't as jarring to watch.